Hey guys, today we are going to discuss our first chapter from our beginner Python tutorial, that is modules, comments and pip. Before we dive into our first chapter, let us write our first Python program. Let us create a new project in PyCharm. Give a name to your project. Here press Command A and backspace to clear the screen. If you use Windows, you press Ctrl A and backspace. So let me zoom it out. So let us write our first Python program. Print and let's run it. This is run button and we should have hello world here. Look, there you go. We successfully wrote our first Python program. Don't ask me why we use the print, why we use the double quotes. Don't ask me anything now. This is our first Python program. We are gonna learn everything day by day. So just print this in your screen and just run it. Don't ask any questions. Okay. Modules are nothing but a set of code. We can include them in our program in order to make our program short, or in order to make our program more readable, or in order to make our program much easy. In spite of writing lines and lines of code, we can simply import a module. Basically there are two types of modules. First, inbuilt modules. Second type is external modules. What are inbuilt modules? Inbuilt modules are nothing but the modules that come when we download the Python, which we don't need to download from outside. And external modules. What are external modules? External modules are nothing but these are the code written by someone else, and we need to import them from outside into our project. These are external modules. For example, let me show you what is an external module. This is Python inbuilt modules list. Here we can see a lot of inbuilt modules that come when we download the Python. Here we can see a lot of inbuilt modules that come pre-installed when we download the Python in our system. Let me show you one external module. Look, this is external module. We need to download these from internet into our project. Inbuilt and external modules. Then let us move on to our next topic, pip. What is pip? Pip is nothing but a package manager. Like pip is like a tool which will allow us to install and manage libraries and modules. For example, we can use pip to download any external modules or any library from internet. Let me show you by installing any module. Let's say here we go to our terminal. Here let's say pip install pygame for example, and when I press enter, it is gonna install a pygame module into our project. Cool. And what are comments? Comments are nothing but what is a comment? Here in Python, this is how we write the comments, like to print hello world. Cool. So when I run this, we can see just hello world. The Python is not gonna execute this line because this is a comment. We can use comment to describe what a line in a program does. So basically there are two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comments. Single line comments are basically written using hash, and multi-line comments are written using these 3 dots. Now let us solve our chapter 1 practice set. What is the first question? Write your program to print Johnny Johnny S Papa rhyme. Okay, in place of print, I can simply copy and paste the poem, right? Look, this is our Johnny Johnny S Papa rhyme. So let us copy this and let's copy it here. As you can see, it's gonna show a lot of errors. Why? And this is a multi-line string. Multi-line string should be written in triple quotes. Multi-line string should be written in triple quotes. If we need to print the single line, we can simply use double quotes or single quotes. But if you want to print the big line, I mean multi-line thing, then we should use obviously triple quotes. Cool. Now let's run. Look, as you can see, our rhyme is printed. So this is our chapter 1 first problem solution. Cool. Now let's solve our second problem. Use REPL and print 6th table. What is REPL? REPL is nothing but read, avail, print, loop. We don't need to write this in Python. We can directly write in Python. We can directly write in ideal Python. So let me open the ideal. Here the question is, we should print the 6th table. So obviously we can write directly like 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, oops, 6 into 2, then 6 into 3 and so on. Oops, 6 into 3 and so on. So this is how we print the 6th table in ideal. So coming to our third question, install any external module and use it. Okay, let me install any external module. So go to, let's say, the sound, and let's copy this, and we're gonna install this in our project by going to terminal. Oops, this is down, and just paste it and enter. It will download the package, and here it will show all the instructions, like this is how we install the package and this is how we use it. So as we are beginners, let's just copy this, let's just paste it. So look, I wanna remove these things. So but what we basically do is we just press backspace 3 times and we come down again and we do like this, right? But there is a way in Python, like, look, if I want to delete this both at once, I can keep my mouse pointer where I want to start deleting from here, and I'll hold Alt, and I'll press here. So look, you can get 2 cursors. If we press delete, both it will delete the things from both cursors. Cool. This is a important tip. I mean, it can save your time. So in place of this, I should paste the path of the music that I want to play. So I have one music file in my downloads folder, and if I watch its info, I can see its path. So let's copy its path. And let's paste it here. If you are a Windows user, you can directly see the path on top, and song name is 0.mp3, and here whenever you see the slash, you need to give one more slash. there you go, and let's run and let's see whether our music will be played or not. Oops, it is showing an error. It is showing no module named appkit found. So if you get this error, in order to solve this, we need to import a package named pyobjects. So we can install it by IOB objc. It is gonna install in our project. It's gonna take few seconds. Yes, there you go. Now let's run. Look, our music will be played now. Look. And if you want to stop this, we are just going to terminate the program. Cool. Let's go to our next question. Write the Python program to print the contents in a directory. Search online for the function which does that. So our question is, we need to download one directory from online, and we need to print the contents that are present in the directory. Here you guys should solve this. Go to online and search which module does this job and just install that and try it. Okay, this is your let's say your homework. This is your task for today. And fifth problem is, after writing these, just write comments for the fourth one. And I already show you how to write the comments, right, by using hash. Cool. Alright, your first chapter is over now. Make sure you like this video. If you have any doubts, join our Telegram. There I'm gonna solve all your doubts.